Happy 5 years anniversary, Doha Metro. Naka 5 years na pala sila since nag-open sila last 2019. And now, since 5 years sila, they have Ride and Win promotion. You can win big prizes. So you have a chance to win iPhone 15, MacBook Air, and iPad mini. Plus, one night stay sa villa sa Desert Falls, one night stay sa Monlian Hotel. You can get a chance to win these big prizes. All you need to do is first, you need to register your travel card and get this travel coupon. You need to collect 5 stamps on your raffle card. So, every time na dadaan ka sa Gold Line, Green Line, Red Line, Boshareb, and Alvida, kailangan may stamp. Good luck! Happy anniversary, Doha Metro. Also, they give this souvenir pin. You see, ang ganda oh. 5 years anniversary from Doha Metro. So, lahat ng magre-register makaka-receive ng pin from Doha Metro Station. Daan lang kayo sa any Gold Club station sa loob ng Metro Station at makakakuha kayo ng Doha Metro pin and coupon. So, you need to collect this for you to win. Happy anniversary!